I have one too many bags, so no thank you, I don't really want one. Said no girl ever. And that was exactly what the theme of the show was all about. A vibrant, colorful take on women's fashion, the it accessory of every girl. We just saw the show by Caprese and ex Jodi. And I would love to hear from Mr. Sudeep Ghosh, Senior Vice President, Marketing, Sales and Service, VIP Industries Limited, sir. What was it like working with the Jodi Life team to create this fantastic collection?
First of all, it's an honor to be part of Lakme Fashion Week. It's probably one of the oldest, and it's an institution by itself. You know, any brand who is in fashion needs to be here, and it's a pleasure thank you for giving us the opportunity. I think Jodi and Caprese went very well because if you see the clothing and the bags, the matching was very good. I think that was very important. And from whatever little that I understand this business, women like to have multiple bags, right? So as many multiples as possible is what, and they have the range, so do we. So I think it's a very good Jodi.
That's really well said, sir. Karuna, I'd love to hear from you. What was it like working with Caprese when you were ideating for this collection? Because bags are the it accessories. Women today don't only look at bags as a thing to throw on before they head out. It is the it accessory, like your jewelry is, your shoes are. So what was it like when you were working with a brand team to create this?
What was great is that for me, the Jodi girl and the Caprese girl, both are really young, fun, and vibrant. So I think with the bags also, they're really cool, they're really fun, they were great colors, and the same with our clothes. So I think it was a match made in heaven. And I think it worked pretty well together. Yeah.
The overall collection was just vibrant and colorful.
Yeah.
It was just beautifully
Yeah.
breathtaking. Ria, could you let us know how it was like walking the ramp for Caprese x Jodi? I mean, you firstly just look beautifully effortless. So could you let us know what was it like? What was so different about this show?
I mean, for me, it was a lot of fun. First of all, like we've spoken about colors. More than that, I'll also tell you that it's comfortable. Like, very rarely do you get as a model or an actor or someone who's walking the ramp to wear comfortable clothes, and you're not like, acha, I'm going to wear this later. I am going to wear this later. I can carry this bag later, you know, and it goes really well together. It's a lot of fun. It's very comfortable. You can wear it in the day. You can wear it in the evening. It depends on how you accessorize it. So it was a lot of fun. I mean, there was a whole spunk to the collection, Jodi into Caprese, and then into me, and then into Despacito. So I had a great time.
Karuna, what was it like when you were ideating, okay, who am I going to get my showstopper for? How did it all land up to Ria?
I think she's a really very natural choice for both the brands. And I mean, Ria is someone who's kind of like a trendsetter. You know, she's like an icon for the youth. And that's the audience we're looking at as well. So it was really natural for us to have Ria on board.
When it comes to the overall look, because you just mentioned for millennials of today, it's the perfect go-to option. Yeah. Everything in terms of putting your entire look together for the day is so important. And right from the hair and makeup to the clothes to the accessories, everything is on point. So what was it like conceptualizing the show with the hair and makeup team, the Caprese team, all of that? Could you let us know what went into creating this collection?
Like Ria said, the idea is also to sort of make a statement, but also needs to be effortless. So, you know, the look was something very easy, very chilled out. We didn't sort of want to, you know, have it overdone and stuff. So keeping the vibe of the clothes and the bags, I mean, it was dressy, but at the same time, I think it was really effortless. That's what we were thinking of when we were ideating.
True. Yeah. Ria, your hair and makeup looks absolutely stunning. Drop dead gorgeous, seriously.
Thanks to Lakme.
Oh. Could you let us know any final thoughts? Could you give tips to the girls of today, how they should be dressing, what they need to keep in mind?
I think taking from this show, I would like to say that, I mean, dress fun, dress young, like, do whatever you want to do. Like, wear fun things. Don't just wear things because they're in trend. Be comfortable. That's the key. And yeah, I think colors is the motto of the day. So go colors. Do it.
Really well said. Thank you so much to our beautiful panel here. Thank you so much to Mr. Sudeep Ghosh. Just a request, could we have media ask a couple of questions as well?
Hi, good evening. Michelle, she's always charming, you know, like she's like a sunshine. जहाँ पे भी जाती हैं बिल्कुल, you know, we when we are running around her like during paparazzi, so she is always fine. Sir, do you think you would be taking her as a brand ambassador for your brand?
That's a tricky one. So we do have one brand ambassador. She's lovely. She's as beautiful as any brand ambassador could be, and any brand would like. Currently, we don't have the budgets. We will have the budgets, and would love to have her. As I said, you know, this brand is going to grow. It's been growing at a very, very fast pace, and hopefully, as the time goes, and as we look forward for the next brand ambassador, she would be around.
So it's all on record now.
All on record, of course. I'm not going back on this.
Leave it to Sumit to
start
ask the
managing my
hard-hitting
work.
questions.
You want to? And this is great.
What can we find in your bag?
Find my bag.
Yeah,
ऐसे कैसे बता दूँ?
others, not me, मतलब others
Other
might
people
be
want to know. Very few things actually. House keys, because if I'm late, then I don't want to wake up my parents. Mobile phone, obviously. Charger, portable, very, very important. Lip balm is something I use all over my face. So it just looks shiny and it looks like I'm not wearing any makeup. And rose water. Like it's the secret of my skin.
एक बार वापस से रीटेक आँख मारते हुए आया
घर की चाबी, मोबाइल फोन, पोर्टेबल चार्जर, लिप बाम पूरे फेस के लिए एंड रोज वाटर स्प्रे.
थैंक यू एंड वी टेक द
पूरी लाइफ इनटू कैप्रिसी है. बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल कलेक्शन है मेरे हिसाब से. कलरफुल है, अमेजिंग है, कंफर्टेबल है, यंग है और मुझे पहन के बड़ा मज़ा आया. तो आप ट्राई करके बताएंगे मुझे.
रैम्प का अगर एक्सपीरियंस की बात करिए तो कैसा रैम्प का है और कैसा एक्सपीरियंस था उसके बारे में बताइए.
आई जेन्युइनली लव वॉकिंग ऑन द रैम्प. मतलब जब मैं लाइफ में भी वॉक करती हूँ तो मेरे दिमाग में एक साउंड ट्रैक मैं चलाती हूँ. स्पेशली अगर आप किसी रूम में एंटर करते हो लोगों को तो थोड़ा ऐसे स्टाइल से वॉक करना मेरा बचपन का हैबिट है. तो व्हेन आई गेट अ चांस टू वॉक ऑन द रैम्प आई एम लाइक ये इसके लिए मुझे करना चाहिए. एंड आई जेन्युइनली एंजॉय इट. पीपल आर वॉचिंग, यू आर ड्रेस्ड वेल. आपको अच्छा लगता है, मतलब लोग आपके बाल बनाते हैं, आपके मेकअप करते हैं, अच्छे अच्छे कपड़े पहनाते हैं, फिर वॉक करो.
ओके, अगर फैशन की अगर बात करिए तो व्हाट्स योर स्टेटमेंट?
I think like in general the most you'll find me is in workout clothes like athleisure as they're calling it these days. I think they're comfortable. It makes sense क्योंकि 2 मीटिंग के बीच में अगर मैं जिम जा सकती हूँ तो क्यों ना जाऊँ. This body don't maintain itself, bro.
Okay, tell us about your collection.
So our collection is something that's inspired by the Indian monsoon and caprice as well, the bold colors. It's really young, it's vibrant, it's playful. So it's basically just have fun with fashion and being comfortable like Riya said.
ओके रिया, क्या फैशन टिप्स देना चाहेंगे अपने फैंस को?
मैं इतना बोलना चाहूँगी लड़कियों को और लड़कों को कि आप प्लीज़ अपने दिल के अंदर कॉन्फिडेंस रखिए. आप सुंदर है बहुत, मेकअप मत कीजिए और ज़्यादा टाइट कपड़े ना पहनिए. जस्ट बी योर सेल्फ, बी कंफर्टेबल, वेयर व्हाट यू लाइक, वेयर ब्राइट कलर्स इफ़ यू वांट टू एंड बी हैप्पी.
और अगर अपकमिंग में अगर कुछ बात करिए तो क्या आने वाला है अपकमिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स में आपकी तरफ से?
किसमें?
अपकमिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स
वैसे तो है 1-2 पर वो मैं आपको ऐसे नहीं बता सकती. वो जैसे कैसे ऐसे. हाँ.
ओके, थैंक यू.
थैंक यू.